How to change your A's on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your A's on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is open your TikTok app on your mobile device, and now make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, on the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon, so simply tap on it and now you'll be redirected to your profile. Now in order to change your A's, if you go to edit profile, there you won't find any option from where you can change your A's, and then if you go to the three lines on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings and privacy, there you won't find any option as to how you can change your A's. So there is only one way as to how you can change your A's on TikTok, that is by going to report a problem, and now select the option account and profile, and now go to editing profile, scroll down and then tap on other, and now tap on need more help. After that you'll be taken to this page where you'll simply have to message TikTok by saying you want to change your A's and you are willing to send them any proof of your A's. So once you do that, you have to attach some files which show the proof of your A's, and once you tap on submit, TikTok will get back to you within 2 or 3 days and you will be able to change your A's on TikTok. So as of now, that is the only way on how you can change your A's on TikTok. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.